God is good all the time. Continuation, Part 22. Gulat na gulat ako sa mga sinasabi niya. Sabi ni Mick sa akin hindi daw siya tumuloy sa Bohol kasi he changed his mind. Kasi ang plan ng friend ng papa ko ay bali iwanan lang daw nila si Mick doon kasama yung niece niya na sila lang daw dalawa, and ayaw ni Mick yung idea na yon kasi lalaki daw siya, and for sure magkaroon siya ng intimate relationship sa niece ng friend ni papa, and di type ni Mick yung niece ng friend ni papa. Kasi he already made up his mind daw. Madami siya na-meet na single lady, and mabait din daw from the city of Cebu to my hometown in the south part of Cebu. Mayroon siya 5 finalist na pipilian niya. But before that he said he wants to know me more. Sabi direct tanong niya sa akin. Over the phone if virgin pa daw ako, and I said yes. 100%. And sabi niya ulit may boyfriend daw ako na 2 sabi ng friend ko. And I said wa. And I said and that's not true. Then I explained. Yes I am virgin and never been with any man in my life. But I have 2 suitors. But we're just friend and I don't like them at all and they both are not my type. Then he said ok I believe you. And I asked him about how is he what he's doing. And sabi niya sa akin may twin brother daw siya identical twin and pareho silang single. And he worked for himself. Ika nga his is the boss of his own. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata.